Canon, you've been teasing us like it's prom night and we're still waiting for that dance. What's going on? Welcome to the channel for another video. So what's going on with Canon's RF 200 to 500mm f4? This lens has been a ghost story in a Canon Rumor mill for ages. Like Bigfoot, we've seen the blurry prototypes, heard whispers in the dark alleys, and waited patiently. But where is it? And now, get this. I'm hearing from a reliable-ish source that Canon might just throw us a curveball. Instead of the mythical 200 to 400 f4, we might be getting an RF 300 to 600mm f5.6L. Because what we needed was another telephoto lens to make us question our life savings. Yeah, we've seen the patents for the 200 to 500, the real ones, they're legit. But 300 to 600 f5.6, not so much. Only variable aperture designs are floating around, which feels like Canon's way of saying, we might, but also we might not. Canon plays their cards very close to their chest, like magicians in Vegas close. Especially when it comes to L-glass. We rarely see the optical design before the big ta-da! So here's the thing. Canon's been dropping weight from their big whites like they're trying to qualify for a featherweight title fight. Just look at the RF 100 to 300 f2.8. It's basically the same size and weight as the EF 300 f2.8 prime. Magic? Witchcraft? No, engineering. And the 300 to 600mm 5.6, that extra reach at the long end, slightly narrow aperture, and lighter, smaller, and crucially cheaper? Canon needs something to fill that void between the $3,000 RF 100 to 500 and the $13,000 sell your car RF 600 f4. Sigma just recently dropped their 300 to 600 f4 sports lens for $6,000, which is adorable because Canon would never ever release a comparable lens at that price. No way. Zero chance. Not even in our dreams. The Sigma is a chonky beast though. We're talking 9 pounds. That's gym membership level. Meanwhile, Canon's big whites hover between 5 and 7 pounds. Which, trust me, it does matter when you've been holding it for 3 hours waiting for a bald eagle to sneeze. Look, Canon already has enough 5-figure glass to make your account cry. But a pro grade, constant aperture, super telephoto under 10 grand? That's the dream. That's the sweet spot. That's probably still a rumor. But hey, that's the beauty of it, right? Speculation, caffeine, and just a touch of irrational hope. Let's see what Canon pulls out of their hat next. If you have thoughts, drop them in the comments. Unless you think that Canon's gonna sell that lens for 2,500 bucks, then you're just trolling. Remember, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified of all future videos. Also, visit my website, jeff-gresham.com, to pick up my Lightroom presets pack that features 13 presets that I designed for all my photo projects. So until next time, bring coffee. Get out and shoot. And I'll catch you next time.